Well, boys, as you can see, this is not a good thing. We're not in a great spot. So last night, as I was driving home, I got hit in the intersection. I was going straight, and a couple were turning this way while I was going straight. And apparently they didn't see me because there was a car right here, and I was just going straight. They turned because it was flashing yellow for them, and they couldn't see me as I was going about 35 to 40 miles per hour straight. And luckily I swerved enough to just hit one side. That's why like the entire front end didn't just like smashed, didn't just get obliterated. So like, but I couldn't avoid this side. Luckily, I mean, I don't even know what to say. The whole headlight is just melted. It has disintegrated. I did drive it back home, so it does drive. I'm not sure. Just wanted to, you know, it's a great opportunity. I did file a insurance claim, so we're just waiting for that to get back. But yeah, the whole intake box is bent, shifted. This is just the quarter panel is obliterated. Looks like everything else is fine. I'm not sure if the chassis is bent or anything, but I'm gonna take off the bumper, and I already took off that. Just gonna take off everything. Yeah, update. The bumper is almost off. No other visible damages yet, but yeah. Fun. Update, it looks like the impact did shatter the mounting point for the headlights as well on this side, on both sides. So it's currently being held up with hopes and dreams. Update, all of that is off. Everything's cut off. This is how she looks right now. That got busted. A lot of stuff shifted. I'm gonna say they might total it. That headlight got busted too, as you saw in the last clip. So like, it's not looking too good. But we'll see how it goes. Thanks guys for tuning in, watching. Hopefully we get something new, something faster, something better, something cooler. Peace out. Well, boys, there's Robin, who recently got hit. I've taken apart most of the stuff in the front, make sure it's drivable. Still sounds great, as you can hear that. We're just gonna drive around, make sure everything is fine. Still waiting for the insurance to get back to me. I already filed a report and everything, so blinkers don't even matter anymore. I hear some rubbing. I think the lip is rubbing against the ground. Stop by, see what's up. Either that or it's this part that's rubbing. I don't think the lip should be rubbing. It's not exactly on the... So yeah, I'm not really sure. We won't go too far. We're just gonna go like around the block. I hope the car isn't totaled. And then again, if it is totaled, then I can get a new car. But that way, then come back. There's something going on with the bottom skid plate, or like the under tray was kind of getting in the way. It was rubbing on the ground, so I just took that off. She still sounds great. Still sounds great. Rubbing on this part. I think the fender liner is rubbing with the tire. Oh. The brakes are gone. The brakes are most definitely gone. I've been here before. It's actually not a bad place, but something's going on with the brakes on this tire. And these are brand new tires too. She's all beat up. Trying to make sure trying to pinpoint what the sound is, because I only hear it when I'm going straight. Let me turn off the valves just to hear it better. not sure what the issue could be. Looks like it's hitting something every now and then. It's definitely this tire, so the brakes feel a bit. There's a lot of rubbing down there. I'm not sure if it's the brakes or something else, but let me pull it in my house. See what's up. I'm gonna cut the fender liner just to make sure. I'll cut it off and drive it around again. Alright, boys. Should be back. I removed a bit of the panel and the fender liner that was in the way. I'm gonna take it for another test drive, see anything. There hasn't been any overheating issues, so none of the coolant lines or radiator seem to be affected. I've had this on for like about an hour now, and there's been no issues. Make sure the AC works. Works fine. There's no more rubbing, which is good. The tire. Seems great. Back to the insurance. I filed a claim, filed everything. Just waiting to get back to and all that, all whatnot. But the car drives, so I hope they're not total it. What I would like is for them to only fix the quarter panel and leave everything else. That part I kind of want to do myself, because I had plans to change the front bumper, the headlights, so like those are part of my part mod list, you would say. So if that's possible, I hope they can do that. If not, then I guess we just have to go from there. Some people say the transmission in this car is like really slow, and it's not. I have to kind of disagree. Once you get used to it, like it doesn't. It's not gonna shift like quick as fuck, but like the ECU does hold gears a lot longer, which I mean that's kind of the point of like the ECT power, to hold gears. So like that was almost instant. Instant. It's not. There's delay, obviously, but like, look at that. So it's definitely hope they don't total it, because the frame is kind of damaged a little bit over there. So I don't know how the insurance really works, or how like those kind of like situations work. It's my first time ever getting a crash. Well, yeah. So like, not sure what's happening, what's possible, what's not possible. So yeah. On the good side, if they do total it, then I do have a lien on the car. So if they do total it, then I can just, you know, maybe like sell it and get a new car, whatnot. So I'm not, we'll see how that goes. But she sounds great. She drives great. Do total it, I get a new car. Of course that costs a lot more money, so like my options are interesting. So right now we're just gonna wait for the insurance claim to come through, see what happens, and then kind of go from there. But yeah, I feel like this is like a good opportunity to like rebuild the car or something, you know, like something to like something else aside from like the POV drives that I usually do, you know, maybe like a rebuild or like something like that. I don't know. I'm excited, but I'm also not excited because like, you know, she's fucked now. Whole front is gone, the rear is gone. I did order new bumper clippers for the rear because they don't really sell those anywhere. So like I got it from like a used vehicle. So like not that. So like there's a lot going on. I don't even know what to say anymore. But that is the plan. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you guys posted and we'll see how this goes. I personally think they might total it just because of all that damage right there, right? And this has just been pushed back. So we'll just see how it goes, I guess.